So now we have a chart, and with the help of this chart, we will classify consonant sound, okay, for place and for manner. Okay, so we have 8 place of articulation and we have 6 manner of articulation. Okay, so suppose we can articulate or we can produce sound from 8 different speech organs. We involve these speech organs. Okay, so I should write first place of articulation. Place of articulation, the first one is bilabial. Bilabial. Bilabial means bi mean two, labial mean lip. Okay. Then we have labiodental. Labiodental mean, and the production of these sound we involve our lip and teeth. This is called labiodental. Then we have dental. Okay, we involve our dental, upper and lower. Then we have alveolar. Alveolar. Alveolar is just ridge. Okay, behind the teeth. Behind the teeth. Okay, then we have one more place of articulation, which is palatal. Palatal. Palatal alveolar. Palatal alveolar. Then we have palatal. Then the next one is velar. And the last one is glottal. Okay. Again, look here. When we want to produce sounds bilabial, for bilabial we use two lips. Then for labiodental we use the upper teeth and the lower lip. For dental we use both, which means upper and lower teeth. Then alveolar. For this sound we use, okay, the ridge behind the teeth. Okay, it means the tip of the tongue touch or nearby. Okay, so then palatal alveolar, you know about palate. Okay, so both places may be used for the production. Then this is pure palatal, and then velar. Velar, you know, for this soft palate may be used and sounds can be produced. And this is glottal, and for that particular sound, it means that while vocal cords, you know, vocal cords. So there may be a space and a sound can be produced like ha, ha. So now let's start. Then the next one is, what is this here? So we will write here bilabial. Okay, down. Okay, so we have the first one glassal. The next one is recurring. Okay, recurring. Then the third one is affricate. Then the fourth one is nasal. The fifth one is lateral. And the last one is approximate. Approximate. No? The first thing is that plasive. What is plasive? So when we want to produce sound, so air, you know, stops and suddenly to be released for the production of sound. Just ba, 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 ba. Okay, so these are, so now we will put phonemes Okay, so we should keep in mind that we have suppose this is bilabial, so we should put, okay, but if this one is plosive, so I should put here. If this word is nasal, so I should put here. So this is important. So look here, the first, which one is bilabial, so we have here ba, ba. So ba is what? Ba is bilabial and both plosive. Then pa is both plosive and bilabial, right? Then I have labiodental sound, in which suppose labiodentals are fa, fa, va. So they are not plosive because rolling sound is here. Fa, fa, fa. So it means the passage of air rolls on the tongue and the sound produced. So I should write this fractal sound, suppose by labiodental. So labiodental because we involve the upper teeth and the lower lips. So this is called labiodental. Fa, fa. So this is fractal. So I should write here. So this one is fa, and another is va, va, va. So I should write here. Good. Then we have dental sound. Dental sound. Suppose, so dental sound, we have two dental sound. Ta, ta, da, ta, da, ta, da. And the place of articulation is dental. So I should write here. And the manner of articulation is fractal. 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 So look here. Say. So I should write this one ta and da. Okay. So again look here that I have, it means dental sound. So this is ta and this is da. This is wa. This is fa. This is pa. This is pa. Then I have alveolar sound. You know alveolar. Alveolar. Okay. So in alveolar we have ta because for the production we have to use ta. Ta behind the ridge. Ta. Ta. Okay. The tip of the tongue touches. The tip of the tongue touches the ridge. The ta. 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 So I should write this one, and this is manner. And the manner is plosive because ta, ta. So the same manner, okay, ba, pa, and ta. So sudden release up. So I should write this one ta. Okay. The next sound is da, da. So the place the same, ta and da. Okay, ta and da. So I should write here da. Because this is also plosive sound. This is also plosive sound. Then I should come here palatal alveolar. Palatal alveolar. So we have sound sa, sa. So the tongue may touch, okay, the palate. So sa and za. And the manner is what? Fricatio. Fricatio. How fricatio? Because this is a rolling sound. So I should write this one. Sa is here and za is here. Because sa and za both are fricatio and alveolar sound. Alveolar sound because we use the ridge, okay, for the production. The next one is palatal alveolar. Okay, so palatal alveolar. So what is this one? Alveolar, palatal alveolar. So we have four sounds. We have four sounds for this. Sh, sh, j, sh, j, sh, ch. So for sha and ja, ja. Okay. So this is what these are palatal alveolar. The place of articulation is of the sha and ja sound. Then again look here, place of manner of articulation for wa, ta, da, sa, za, sha and ja. Same, because these are rolling sound. These are rolling sound. Then we have one more manner when we combine plosive or stop sound and fricative sound, and the combination, it means a sound can be produced, rolling is involved, and sudden release is also involved. So these sounds are known to be affricate. Affricate means the combination of plosive and fricative. So we have two sounds which are palatal alveolar. They are cha, and they are ja. Okay. The place of articulation, palatal alveolar. But the manner of articulation, these are two sounds, affricate. Okay, the manner. So when we want to produce these sounds, so plosive and fricative. Okay, both manner involved, and it means sudden release is here, rolling is here. Suppose sh, sh, cha. So rolling is here, and then sudden release ja, ja. Okay. Then we have palatal. So palatal, just one sound is here. Suppose we use palate, you, you. So this is what? This is which sound? This is approximate sound. This is approximate sound. Okay. So look here. This is approximate sound, right? You. The next one is velar. Important. Velar, important. Okay. Ka. Ga. Ka. 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 Ga. Suppose. So here we have velar. Suppose. So place of articulation is velar, ka and ga. But manner of articulation is plosive, because they can be produced with the sudden release of sound. Okay? Ka, ga, ka, ga. So these are velar sound and as well plosive sound. Then we have one. Look here. We have glottal sound. So glottal sound is that sound for which vocal cords, just it means release but difficultly. So here we have one sound, okay, in the form of ha, ha. But this ha is what? This ha is also fricative, because it is a rolling sound. Then for bilabial we have one more sound, okay, in the form of ma, because you can see that for the production of ma we involve what? We involve we involve both lips, but this is nasal sound because you can feel that the air may be, this is nasal. Okay, so we have nasal sound. So this is ma, this is ma. Okay, and then we have one more alveolar sound in the form of na, which is the part of what? Which is the part of nasal sound. Which is the part of nasal sound. Okay? And one more sound which is also nasal, ing sound. Ing sound. Okay? So this is also important. Then we have some approximate. So bilabial. For bilabial we have W sound. Okay, for the production of W, we use both lips. So this is why this is bilabial, but approximate, mix. Approximate means that vowel and consonant, they are in the mixture. So this is why they are approximate. One more sound which is palatal alveolar, and this is lateral. Only one sound. What is lateral sound? Lateral sound is that sound for the production of which the the sound rolls on the edges of the tongue. Okay, and then we produce the sound l. So here you have the sound what? Lateral sound la, which is the part of palatal alveolar. So this is la, and this is the part of what? This is the part of palatal alveolar. One more sound, okay? One more sound, which is also the part of approximate here, and this is the ra sound, because ra is also approximate sound and difficult sound. Okay, even in English. Now we will count. Okay, again look here. Try to understand. Look, ba, 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 ba. Same manner. Ba, ba. Then ta, da. So alveolar sound plays alveolar because the tip touches the ridge behind the teeth. So same here. Velar plays a articulation ka, ga. This is velar. Okay, soft palate. And place of articulation is velar, but manner of articulation is plosive or stop. Then here we have labiodental fa, fa, va, fan, van. Then dental ta, da, tin, din. So these are fricative sound. Then alveolar. So in alveolar we have this sa, za, rolling sound and manner. And when we want to produce, so these are alveolar. Okay. So we have discussed for this one that the tip touches behind the teeth. Then palatal alveolar. So sha sound is here and ja sound here. Manner is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sounds are up to now. They are fricative rolling sound. Then glottal. Ha. This is also, it means the place glottal and the manner is fricative. Then we have two sounds, palatal alveolar, cha and ja. In affricate, because the combination of two, it means the combination of two manner. Okay, so plasma and fricative. Okay, fricative. So then we have nasal sound ma, place of articulation bilabial. Then one more sound you can see alveolar na. Okay, place of articulation alveolar, but manner of articulation na. It means nasal is here. Then we have velar, and in velar we have ing sound, boing. So it is included in nasal sound because the manner for ma, men, none, in, so same. Then we have lateral. So palatal alveolar la, this is one sound जिसके प्रोडक्शन के लिए ये जो है, ये जो ज़ुबान है उसके दोनों साइड्स पे ये आवाज़ रोल करके जो है ना, और बीच से टंग जो है वो थोड़ी सी बैठ जाती है और ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस है, इसलिए इसको लेटरल साउंड कहते हैं। इसी तरह अप्रॉक्सीमेट का मतलब ये है कि तकरीबन है, तो उनमें से एक डब्ल्यू साउंड यानी वा साउंड है, दोनों होंठों से वाका यूनिस वा वाका वाका। ओके, इसी तरह हमारे साथ जो रा साउंड है ये भी तो ये भी थोड़ा सा अप्रोक्सीमेट। और इसी तरह ये जो यूथ में हम महसूस यूथ यन, तो ये जो है हमारे पास पलेटल साउंड है। आपने देख लिया है कि हमारे पास 8 प्लेस ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन है इस आवाज़ को यानी इसकी यानी उसके अदायगी के लिए, ठीक है। तो उसमें हम दोनों होंठ इस्तेमाल करते हैं। फिर ये जो है ये अल्वेलर है, ये जो दांत है देखो ट, तो ये ट, तो ये जो दांत है उसके पीछे जो है ना, दांतों के पीछे ये जो है ना इसको टच करता है। तो ये सेम मैनर से ये 1 2 3 4 5 सेम मैनर से और सेम जगह से हम अदा करते हैं, इसलिए ये जो है इनको हमने अल्वेलर का नाम दिया। फिर पलेटल अल्वेलर है, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 अल्फाज ऐसे हैं कि वो एक ही तरह जगह से हम अदा करते हैं, अगरचे उनका मैनर अलग है लेकिन प्लेस ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन उनका एक है। तो ये उनकी जो है प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, ठीक है। तो कभी कभी ये एमसीक्यूज भी बनता है बड़े टेस्टों में कि उनमें से मुख्तलिफ कौन सा है। इसी तरह का अवरगा है, इच है। तो उम्मीद है कि अभी जो है आप जब सेकेंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट हो या किसी भी जो है ना यानी लैंग्वेज के स्टूडेंट हो, तो इसको देखकर दिल में ये हाका बनाए कि इस अंदाज से होता है कि यहाँ अल्फाजों की अपनी प्रॉपर्टी, लेकिन ये शेयर भी करते हैं कि प्लेस ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन समझ में आया और मैनर ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन समझ में आया कि प्लेस जो है वो 8 है और 8 जगहों से हम मतलब या तो एक ही लफ्ज़ आता है या वो जंग में भी आ सकते हैं, यानी वो शेयर करते हैं उसी जगह को। तो ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है और ये बहुत बुनियादी चीज़ है, इसको हमने सीखना है। फिर बाद में हमारे मुश्किल आसान हो जाते हैं और एमए इंग्लिश में और बीएस इंग्लिश में उस पर 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन आते हैं। कभी कभी कहते हैं कि मैनर ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन, तो हम उसके डिफिनीशन लिखें और फिर वो साउंड लिखें और फिर उसकी जो है कुछ मुख्तसर सी बात करें जिस तरह हमने की, तो उस पर समझ में आता है। अगर कोई टीचर है और इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा है, सेकेंड ईयर में अंग्रेज़ी पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए भी ये आसान है ताकि वो स्टूडेंट को बेहतर अंदाज से समझाए कि देखो हमारे पास प्लेस ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन है और मैनर ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन है और फिर प्लेस ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन 8 है और मैनर ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन जो है वो 6 है, और कौन कौन से अल्फाज हम कब और कैसे अदा करते हैं। तो उम्मीद है अंग्रेज़ हम नहीं हैं, लेकिन एक कोशिश ज़रूर की है कि एक मुश्किल काम को आसान बनाया जाए। शुक्रिया।